Today, in the world of cannabis, WeedMD announces a new line of Cannabis 2.0 products. Medical organizations challenge cannabis legalization in Mississippi, and President Joe Biden selects a cannabis advocate to head the Democratic National Committee. It's Thursday, January 21st, and this is your TRICHOMES Morning Buzz.
Broadcasting live from the TRICHOMES.com studios in Southern California, it's time for your Morning Buzz. We bring you late-breaking news that keeps you up to date with what's happening in the cannabis industry.
First up, in a report by Globe Newswire, the Canadian medical cannabis company WeedMD has announced a new line of cannabis extract products, including live resin, solventless hash, and rosin concentrates. The company's Cannabis 2.0 products are expected to arrive in the second quarter of 2021 under the company's Color Cannabis and Saturday Cannabis brands. We are listening to our consumers and retail partners in developing these products and extending our portfolio. Our cultivation, commercial, and product teams are now capturing these profiles in a variety of formats, including solventless concentrates and extracts, to deliver premium products under our Color and Saturday Cannabis brands, said George Scorsis, Executive Chairman and Interim CEO of WeedMD. This expanded portfolio is tailor-made for consumers looking for richer cannabis concentrates and alternative cannabis consumption methods. In addition, the company has further developed its subcritical CO2 extract post-processing methodology, which preserves the flower's terpene profile and results in a malleable, semi-solid high-potency cannabis extract product, according to the press release.
And next, Marijuana Moment reports that the American Medical Association and its state affiliate, the Mississippi State Medical Association, are supporting a lawsuit challenging the state's approval vote of medical cannabis legalization. The lawsuit alleges that the cannabis legalization bill is invalid due to a state law that requires a certain percentage of signatures per district to qualify as a ballot measure. Mississippi's Secretary of State has sharply denounced the lawsuit. While it is possible there may be beneficial medical uses of marijuana, numerous evidence-based studies demonstrate that significant deleterious effects abound, the brief states, adding, without question, the public health risks are immense. The lawsuit also addresses the federal illegality of cannabis, which the AMA and MSMA say will put physicians in a difficult position. Yet physicians will be expected by their patients, through perhaps not required by Initiative 65, to sign off on certifications to receive their supply. Perhaps no liability will lie under state law, but what about federal law? The lawsuit asks.
And last up, in a report by Marijuana Moment, President Joe Biden has tapped a staunch supporter of cannabis legalization to lead the Democratic National Committee, South Carolina Democratic Party Chair Jamie Harrison. In 2020, Harrison ran an unsuccessful campaign for Senate against the outgoing Judiciary Committee Chairman, Lindsey Graham, in which he called for cannabis legalization and addressing racial injustice. We know that for marijuana arrests, including those for simple possession, account for a large number of drug arrests, Harrison said. The racial disparities in marijuana enforcement, black men and white men smoke marijuana at the same rates, but black men are much more likely to be arrested for marijuana possession. It's just unacceptable. Across the country, we are finding that states are legalizing marijuana and medical marijuana, and it's just time for South Carolina to lead on this issue, he added. A call for federal cannabis reform from the head of the DNC could prove to be highly influential in approving nationwide legalization.
That was today's Buzz. Thanks for listening. For more cannabis news and insights from industry professionals and a place to discuss these stories and others, visit TRICHOMES.com.
And be sure to catch up with all of our other cannabis industry-related podcasts, like Hash It Out, The High Ground, or Careers in Cannabis, wherever you get your podcasts. For TRICHOMES.com, I'm David Fortin.
And I'm Devin Leal. Have a great day.